And welcome back to our video series on simplifying data with Clarista. Today we're going to be diving into a very interesting topic, integrating models, also known as algorithms. These can be quantitative models or AI ML models, really whatever the use case calls for. The idea is that you have these expert teams trained in taking large amounts of data and turning them into really useful insights. Unfortunately, these experts often struggle for a variety of reasons, whether it's environment issues, data having to be moved, or data that can't be found. Clarista was designed from the ground up to account for these challenges and mitigate them from the start. So you've already connected to a source, published the data to the data catalog, given it meaning through business definitions, and defined access controls. Now with all of that already behind us, we can go right into the Flows tab and start applying any model to generate new insights. As covered in previous videos, you connect to your data catalog directly within the Flows module within Clarista. This means you connect to the metadata layer. Remember, no copying of data ever within Clarista. And please don't forget, this is all real time. So I'm going to skip most of this and go directly to model integration. Here I have the flexibility to write custom SQL code. And this is very powerful. I can write custom SQL code, I can write code in Python, and in this example, I'll go into a Jupyter notebook. And it does a lot of magic here behind the scenes. It launches a Jupyter Hub kernel where it authenticates me as a user. It recognizes me as a registered user in Clarista. And it also recognized that there was one input coming into the notebook. And this is also what we know of as a data frame. It also recognized that there was one output coming out of this notebook, the data frame down here. If I define multiple inputs or outputs, it would auto-create that. It's really powerful stuff. Now I'm in full interactive mode, working within this notebook in a live runtime, so you can write any model or algorithm here. After you've completed any edits, you can select Save and navigate back to the flow that you are working on. Now you can do a variety of things with that output you've just created. For example, you could post it as a new data set and publish it back to the data catalog, or you can send it as an alert with a list of fields that you want to include in that alert. Now, this will show up as an alert in any email that you set when that alert is triggered. As you can imagine, this could be extremely helpful in eliminating information overload within the organization. There's so much more to cover here, but in the spirit of keeping this concise, I'll wrap it now. As always, feel free to reach out anytime to discuss use cases relevant to you.